Welcome back to Stay Focused, Focus Real Estate's weekly video series. We're here today with Nathan Hartseil of First Home Mortgage to chat a little bit about some of the trends in the marketplace and some of the things that you do for your clients. We have a really great track record. Nathan is our preferred lender in the office, and preferred lender because he does such an amazing job working with our home buyers. So welcome, Nathan. Thanks for joining.
And we're here in your offices today.
Absolutely.
And what's your address here?
318 Harvard Street.
In Brookline. Brookline.
Yep.
Yeah, in the arcade building.
Yes.
Yeah.
With the great ramen.
So thank you for having us here in your office.
Because of lunch or because of the interview?
Both. That might work too. Anyway, we just wanted to chat with you a little bit about kind of some of the things you're doing and also kind of what's happening in the market. There's always a little bit of change in the market. So, you know, here we are at the beginning of 2019. What are some of the things that you're seeing changing and happening in 2019?
Absolutely. I think not just in the mortgage industry, but real estate industry as a whole, 2019 will be a pivotal point. I think the market's kind of flattened out. I think changes that are going to happen in 2019 will kind of set the path for where we go in the future.
So what are the changes you see in 2019 for us here in the Boston, Brookline area?
Sure. Well, rate increases is a big thing, and that sparks affordability of a home. With rate increases, the common borrower affords a little bit less or qualifies for a little bit less, especially with the ever increasing home price, especially in the Boston area. With that came a little bit of breath of fresh air, because as expected, we raised the limits on loan amounts for the year of 2019.
What are the conforming loan limits?
So this
condos?
is Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac?
Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, and FHA follows suit as well as most of your government agencies and state and local agencies as well.
And they set the pace for what limits are
Loan
the standards.
limits.
The
Correct.
standards, right?
Not so much your purchase price, but your loan limit in general of what we will lend on a particular property. Conforming limits, including jumbo, were at about 603,000 and some change, and now they're up over 688,000, I believe.
For a single family?
Single family.
Is
Or
that
condo.
Condo, okay, great. And that's conforming jumbo?
Correct.
One of the things that we really like about working with you is your flexibility and actually some fun things. You've actually taken on some big challenges in the past. I mean, Nathan's worked really hard to discover different loan packages and different things that are available to buyers that might not normally qualify, or when the properties are a little more specific to the lending practices.
And other mortgage brokers or banks may not even think to look in those directions and for those options.
Sure.
So do you have to have 20% down to buy a house?
You do not. Actually, we offer many programs now with no down payment, 3% down payment, 5% down payment, no mortgage insurance products, products that allow us on your debt to income to reduce student loan debt or monthly payments if they're in deferment, or if they're on income-based repayment plans, because the realism is moving forward, it's predicted that 45 to 50% of our borrowers in 2019 that apply for loans are going to be millennials. What's bringing these millennials here is the strong job market. So we need to find ways to adapt to them to be able to purchase in this market. And that's why we offer some of these great first-time home buyer programs.
So you're our preferred mortgage broker and lender, and we direct many of our clients to talk to you and get estimates, see how you can help them out. But to our viewers out there, where can they find you?
So through my website is a great way to find
So
me.
your website is?
www.firsthomenathan.com.
Great. And your email address if they want to email you directly?
N Hartseil, which is NHARTSEIL at firsthome.com.
Thanks for having us here in your office.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, I look forward to a great rest of 2019.
Let's change it together.
All right.
Indeed.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like us on Facebook.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And then until next time,
Stay tuned
And
and
stay
stay focused.
It's over. always the perfect answer.
You're always shaking your head yes.
You're approved.